Hey guys, how's it going? It's David with Shirts Inc. I'm just here hanging out in my shop and I wanted to share a quick tips video for you guys. I know a lot of people have trouble with zippers and seams when they're like printing onesies or like zip up hoodies and things like that. And I know that a lot of places sell those like padded pillows that you can use, but I want to share a little something that I use. I just go to like a Joann Fabrics, get you a 1-inch piece of foam, and you take it and you sit it wherever the seams are, and it will absorb the seams for you. I have used this piece of foam for hats, for onesies, and I've had the same piece of foam for probably about a year or so. I mean, I've had my heat press up to 400 degrees and it takes the heat well. Of course, I don't let it dwell on there for a super long time, but I've even used it for sublimation and it works great. So if you're looking to save some money, you don't have a lot of resources, or you need a quick fix, these little green foam insulation pads or whatever they're called that you get at Joann Fabrics work perfect. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. God bless.